Tired of dry, itchy beard? Discover the secret ingredient that can transform your facial hair: lemongrass oil. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of using lemongrass oil on your beard and show you how to get the softest, most manageable facial hair you've ever had. Main points. 1. The power of lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is a natural wonder that can work wonders on your beard. 1. It's packed with antioxidants, antimicrobial properties, and essential oils that nourish and condition facial hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and itch-free. 2. How lemongrass oil improves beard health. Lemongrass oil helps to deeply hydrate and moisturize the hair follicles, reducing irritation and flakiness. 2. It also has natural antiseptic qualities that can help prevent ingrown hairs and keep your skin healthy under the beard. 3. Tips for using lemongrass oil on your beard. We'll show you the best way to apply lemongrass oil to your beard for maximum benefits. 3. From mixing it with a carrier oil to massaging it into the skin, you'll learn the simple steps to incorporate this powerful ingredient into your grooming routine. 4. Lemongrass oil versus other beard oils. Discover why lemongrass oil stands out from the competition. 4. We'll compare it to other popular beard oils and explain why lemongrass is the superior choice for achieving a soft, healthy, and manageable beard. 5. DIY lemongrass beard oil recipe. As a bonus, we'll provide an easy-to-follow recipe for making your own lemongrass-infused beard oil at home. 5. This allows you to customize the formula to your specific needs and save money compared to store-bought options. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to transform your beard with the power of lemongrass oil. Get ready to experience the softest, most manageable facial hair of your life.